Hi, my name is Alex Coach with GustonShow.com. I want to talk to you about people with low credit scores, bad credit behavior, what the guidelines say. And when it comes to conventional loans, the computer has to approve you. That's just the way it is. But with FHA and VA, there's a thing called manual underwriting, which it has guidelines. Now, FHA's got guidelines for approved eligibles, what the computer approves you too, but let's go over the manual underwriting guidelines. So, because that's where most of our business is coming from, people who are not getting approved by the computer, because people get denied from the computer, don't have a lot of options, and there's guidelines where FHA and VA want to lend to you. So, if you've got a low credit score, we can go down to 500, and only if your credit behavior fits a certain type of thing. So for VA loans, it's the best. It's only looking at 1 year. You can be a god-awful mess for 10 years, and then the last 12 months, your life's back on track, you've caught up with all your bills, you have things that are open, you can't have no credit, you have to have things open, and you have to show you made everything on payments on time for the last 12 months. And your collections that are over a year old or charge-offs, they don't even count against you if you're a veteran, really. Unless you're on a payment plan with them, then you have to count that payment against you. But VA is the best. Now, if you don't have any credit at all, then you can use alternative credit. But if you've got collections and bad credit in the past, the alternative credit method is not available because it's designed for people who don't use credit. It's not for people who've used credit and are bad, and now they want to use alternative credit trade lines to get a loan. So you can't use alternative trade lines with bad stuff on your credit report. If I run your credit and there's no scores and nothing going on, and there's nothing, no history at all, then you can use alternative credit, but you get treated like you're a 500 credit score. So you get the higher rate, lower DTI, you get treated like you're a low credit score borrower. So that's the guidelines on VA. No lates in the last 12 months. You got to prove, normally it's 12 months, but right now because of COVID they want 24 months rent history, and they want to see that you have a certain amount of money in the bank. And the guidelines actually say 41 DTI. I got investors that go to 55 right now. So maybe even a little bit higher if you got some compensating factors. So those are the guidelines, and we're doing those. So if you got low credit scores and you've got bad credit behavior but it's old, give me a call if you're a veteran. Now let's go to FHA. FHA is a little more stricter. They want no lates in the last 12 months, but in the prior 12 months we're looking at 24-month window, no lates in the first 12. Now we're looking at the second 12 of that 24 months. You can have no worse than 2 car payment lates or 2 mortgage lates, 30 days, and nothing major derogatory on credit cards. So a credit card collection 18 months ago, so that's 6 months in a 24-month period of you being majorly derogatory on a credit card would be a disqualifier. If you have 3 car lates that are 30-day lates in the last 12 months of the 24-month window, that would disqualify you. So you have 2 30-day car lates, 2 30-day mortgage lates, and no major credit card derogatories. You can have 30s and 60s in the prior 12 months on the credit card, but you can't have 120s in collections. Now, if you have 1 mortgage late that's 30 and 1 car, that's the same as having 2 mortgage lates or 2 cars. So they're really looking at installment lates, no more than 2 installment lates that are 30 days. If you got a 60 or 90-day late on your mortgage in the last 24, you're in trouble. Now, that's the guidelines, and we follow those guidelines. Now with FHA, it's a ratio. It depends on your debt-to-income ratios, what they ask for compensating factors. With FHA, you always need compensating factors. You need to at least have 1 month mortgage payment in the bank. If you stay below 31 over 43. If you go to 37 over 47, you need 1 compensating factor. You can go to my other videos and see what those compensating factors are. Money in the bank is one of them. And if you want to go to 40 over 50, you need 2 of the compensating factors, not just 1. So there's different ratio tiers, but the max you can do is 40 over 50. And that's wants 12 months rental history on FHA. So that's the guidelines. We honor them. We do those loans here. Please give me a call. We do mortgages, toughest ones in the business. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.